I want to share with you my opinion with regards to what the big problem with crypto is. We've all seen the cryptocurrency market tumble over the last few months. For example, we've seen Bitcoin coming from the all-time high of 60 something K USD to right now trading at about 20K USD. Right? We've seen the cryptocurrency market come down from an aggregate market cap of over 2 trillion US dollars, which by the way is quite insane. But this is the reality. That's why I want to share with you my 3 pointers with regards to what the big problem with crypto is. My name is Afagza Sifuna, and you all much welcome to my channel. The very first big problem with crypto, which no one discusses out there, is volatility. Of course, people out there make it look all fancy that you can make crazy amounts of money in crypto, which by the way is true, but also understand cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile. What do I mean? Given crypto is most of the times unregulated and also speculative, the market is very, very volatile. We've all seen in a day, for example, Bitcoin tumbled from over 23K to about 20K. Guys, an asset losing over 3K in a single day, unregulated, is quite insane. But this is the reality of the cryptocurrency market. So in case you want to delve into crypto, understand that beyond that hype you see online, you need to brace yourself for volatility. And by the way, volatility is very huge. And it's true volatility that actually some companies out there are making crazy margins. But also, in every margin made, also we have a group of people out there who are losing money. Because at the end of the day, it is a zero-sum game. It is money shuffling around, right? Some people making money, other group of people losing money. So understand that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile and brace yourself for that. And that leads me to the second pointer. It is the mindset of the traders. In this space, what do I mean? For you to make money in the cryptocurrency market, my opinion is that you need to hold for the long term. Invest for the long term. But for most traders out there, most of those who jump in this space because of the hype, they have a short-term investing mentality. And by the way, that is what leads to millions and millions of losses. But in case you invest for the long term in any asset space, two things are bound to happen. One of it is something called price correction. Over time, a market tends to adjust for it to reflect the true value of a given asset. And by the way, this is the same for crypto too. Over time, the price is going to reflect the intrinsic value of that particular asset. And secondly, over time, you as a trader, you as an investor, you're going to develop a sober mindset. That's because you jumping on short-term trades is actually going to cause you adrenaline rush and you're going to be making most of the times wrong decisions. But in case you have a long-term mindset, these two things are going to work out for you. The price corrections in the market and also you making sober informed decisions. Because over time, you're going to think more rationally and jump at a decision that you are very sure you're going to stand by and also that you are very sure is the best for you. And then the third problem with the cryptocurrency market is that the possibility of you being scammed of your hard-earned cash is there and is real. We've all seen in recent news, cryptocurrency space, there is crazy scams. And the sad reality about this is that even a group of influencers out there are actually willingly promoting crazy coins out there, fleecing people of their hard-earned cash, knowing pretty well they are doing that. So the possibility of you getting scammed in the cryptocurrency space is very high. Mostly because this space is unregulated, is very volatile. So be on the lookout. If you're delving into the cryptocurrency space, be on the lookout. You need to read the white papers of cryptocurrencies out there. You need to do your own research before you put down any money in any cryptocurrency. I think these are three real and possible risks or problems in the cryptocurrency space which no one talks about. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. I look forward to sharing with you other awesome videos next time.